Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I want to do swipe. I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas and some Artist Loft white that I am going to cover it with. I do not usually do swipes with a white background, but I really want to do this. I have some black Aussie Floetrol. I have some cell activator that's black with Amsterdam. I'm not sure which black it is, to tell you the truth. I could probably go look, but I'd really rather finish priming my canvas. So the white usually mutes things out. But fortunately, the two colors I'm going to use might defeat that purpose. I hope so. I'm going to use the pink diamond. This is really a heavier coat than I was expecting to have on here. I'm really tempted to just keep knocking that over the edge. Make a mess. It's my last painting of the day. Might have to rinse that off my fingers. I blew off mixing paint today and I was supposed to mix like 10 bottles of it. Okay, so I'm going to start with, I want a contrasting color. Okay, never mind. I guess we're going diagonally. This is the color shifting turquoise from Folk Art. Turquoise and pink will often make a beautiful blue. I'm almost out of this, but I've got to make some more tomorrow. Let's move from the center out, just in case I run out. Try not to run out. And I'm inclined to throw some gold in there just because I don't know why I wouldn't. But I'm not seeing it, which is, there it is, it's hiding. I'm going to try and put it in places I'm going to pull my swipe through. In every other different direction. So let's just grab, I need something to dip this into. So I'm just going to use a little scrape dish and put some right out. My paper towels are already folded and wet. In this case, I'm going to take my strips and cut them in half right quick, because I found I only need so much length. And I haven't tried putting the swipe color right on. I had good luck with the white cell activator, leaving nice trails in the black canvas. So I thought it would be kind of nice to try the alternative. And use black trails on the white canvas. I think we might fill the canvas. This could be really neat. I hope it is. I want to use the black again and try it with the same damp cloth. I might have to tip this, is what I'm beginning to think. Let's grab another one. I should have trimmed it out. Oh, this one's a really wide one. Really wide. Kind of want to try some of the purple. Use my residuals. Yeah, I'm thinking I have a little swipe card here. I'm going to try it. Kind of like that. It's easier to wipe off too. I need some more. I might be tempted to use some purple, but that's pretty wild. I want to try a sideways one. I don't know. I could be asking for trouble. I might just put a bunch on there. Great. I'm not sure this is my favorite yet, but I'm not done yet either. I don't give up easily. Just taking the damp paper towel, sticking it on the edge of the canvas below my marks. One more time. I thought I had a trimmed paper towel. Maybe 2 more times, who knows? Better off to dip it in than to try and squeeze it on. I don't know what I was thinking. That's different. I think I've got one more area I need to consider. I'm kind of wishing I had a much thinner paper towel. Well, I guess I might as well tip because I got nothing to lose. And it might turn out pretty cool. I really kind of want to put some orange in there. Is that weird? I just think it adds a little something something that I want. Yeah, maybe I don't need a whole lot more than that either. Although, I'm having a good time putting it in, so it might be hard to stop. I like the black and white trails. They almost look like brush strokes. That's kind of cool. I'm liking it. I'd like it better if I hadn't just stuck the bottle in there. I tend to, when I apply my colors, sometimes I have a tendency to rest the rim of the cover. Now that went from being something I wasn't sure of to something I like a lot. Pretty fast too. But I better decide to be done pretty quick, or there might be more of it Too much of a good thing is still too much. There. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Saying I love you guys. Thanks for coming. I post 7 days a week. 9:30 a.m. right at the moment and 10 p.m. And I love that you're here. And if you're looking for playlists or you need a link to a video, please just feel free to ask me because I'm happy to help you. If you give me a thumbs up, I'm even happier. Your comments keep my morale boosted and I really appreciate that. I don't know why I like those little orange accents so much. I could throw a little few dots in here, but I'm not sure I need it. But that being said, it's really hard to want to stop. Just a few. They might even disappear. Kind of funky. So what should I tell you guys? I have Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links all on my link tree. My link tree is the blue link underneath the video. There's going to be another link above it for the small tools. For some reason that one area was just sort of bugging me. Anyway, I told you guys I love you. So we should be all set. My Amazon link is on the link tree. It has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. This is pretty neat. And if you want to be somebody who helps support the production of videos and brings you more tutorials, then make a donation using the PayPal icon you can find on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or the link on the link tree, and you'll gain an email invitation to join in the drawing if you send me your phone number so I can call you if you win. It's really convenient that way. You can trust me. I promise I'll never sell your phone numbers or give them to anyone. I promise. Anyway, where was I? The community board has tomorrow's videos. I have over 2,200 videos, and if you're interested in something you can't find, I have playlists. So go to all playlists, creative playlists on the YouTube channel where you find playlists. And if you can't find what you're looking for, like I said, I have them all organized by topic and genre and by the 100, and I will be happy to help you. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video if you need it. Also, my cell activator recipe is there also. And I have spring clothing under the video. That is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and lots more. I do sell my artwork, and my email address is right below under Show More underneath the link tree. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you have an inquiry about lessons or purchasing an artwork, use my email address. It's easpb, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. If you have questions, please ask. I am happy to help you. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I post 7 days a week. I think I mentioned that already. I have a lot of videos, and I love that you leave me comments. You boost my morale so much. I love you guys. Thank you for the inspiration. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying bye for now. Priscilla out.